Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blueprints in the Division 2. Blueprints are crucial crafting recipes that empower you to create a wide array of powerful gear, weapons, and mods. Understanding how to acquire and utilize them is key to enhancing your agent's capabilities. We will cover everything from finding blueprints to crafting your desired items, making your agent stronger and more versatile. Acquiring blueprints involves several methods. A primary way is by completing control points at alert level 3 or 4, which often reward a blueprint upon capture. You can also earn them by finishing various projects, including daily and weekly assignments. Defeating named bosses in the open world and during missions is another excellent source. Don't forget to check vendors in the base of operations, as they sometimes offer blueprints for purchase. Once you have blueprints, using them is straightforward. Head to the crafting station in your base of operations. Here, you can browse all your acquired blueprints, categorized for easy navigation. Select the item you wish to craft. The station will display the required materials, such as steel, ceramics, or electronics. If you possess all the necessary components, simply initiate the crafting process to create your new gear or weapon. Utilizing blueprints offers significant advantages. They provide a consistent method for acquiring specific gear pieces, helping you optimize your agent's build. Instead of relying solely on random drops, you can craft exactly what you need. Remember to regularly check your crafting station for new blueprint additions and prioritize those that enhance your current or desired playstyle. This strategic approach will make your agent much more effective in combat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.